Hey up lads, Kosh here from Kosh Bushcraft, and today I'm showing a hot wire lighter that I've made. For those who don't know what a hot wire lighter is, basically you take a piece of wire. This isn't copper wire, it's nichrome wire, I think that's the right pronunciation. That's the size and gauge. This for about 99p, this little thing. You could find this in hair dryers, toasters. Toaster might be a bit thick for what you were looking for, but hair dryers, all sorts of stuff has this wiring. But basically, a hot wire lighter on its ruggedest form. Get this on here. Basically, if I wrap that around there, use this so I don't burn my fingers, and get this wire down. Current lights the wire up, see it glowing? That is your basic hot wire lighter. So that's what I've come up with. This is my little prototype hot wire lighter. Little switch on it, little glowing coil in the middle. Simple, as you can see, it's as simple as touching the wire on the battery, so very simple to put together. This is the top off of another old battery that had run out. This top part here, I just popped it off, soldered it in a wire to this pillar, to the switch, from the switch to there, stuck it in a little bit of aluminium casing, which just happened to be the right size to fit a battery in it. But yeah, that's a hot wire lighter, and it's quite handy for bushcraft and stuff, and anybody that smokes or out like that. I mean, I've been using this one for 2 weeks to see what it was like, and I had to put a new battery in it today just so you could see the brightness of it on camera. But I've actually been using it for 2 weeks, and it still likes me cigs, so even though it don't glow as bright as that, I couldn't really see it on camera. That's why I've put it on there. But instant flame on it. Blow that out before I burn my workshop down. But yeah, that's a hot wire lighter. Just thought I'd drop a little video. Short lads, little lighter I've been working on. Quite a cool little project. Easy, like I say, you could do it any way you want. I mean, these guys that have got batteries that charge by USB lead and stuff like that, but I wouldn't recommend that. Any battery that charges from a USB lead is you're going to damage it. You're going to damage it by doing this. You're basically sort of short wiring a battery. Well, I'm saying battery, it's my mate Academic Dave would say that that's not a battery, that it's a cell, and that a battery is multiple cells working together, sort of thing. But anyway, if you use this and the battery gets damaged in the process of losing its power, then you're throwing it away anyway, so it doesn't really matter. But if it was a charging one, and every time it had hold less charge, and it could damage the battery permanently, so I don't think it's worth paying the money to have it USB charge when you can stick a little 9V on it and it's done. But yeah, I've lit a few fires with it, done a lot of smoking with it. Like I say, it lasts for 2 weeks, but it wasn't as bright as that at the end, but it was still lighting fags and stuff like that. So yeah, not much to it really. wires run through, a couple of screws going up there if you can see them, with wires wrapped around, popping up into these pillars. Not much to it really. Hot wire lighter. But yeah, like I say, I wouldn't recommend a USB one. Just not worth the hassle. I don't think the battery would last very long, but it's up to you. Good little project and that lot. Good little bit of fire lighting kit to have in your bag. Bit different as well. I'm going to put a back on it, but I thought for the video I'll leave it off and show people. Yeah, you could use any casing you want, I suppose. It wouldn't even need a casing. Like I say, well, you saw, you can put a piece of wire straight to the battery and make it that way in a survival situation. I suppose that's more the point of this exercise really, showing you that inside a hairdryer or a toaster and get yourself a battery and you can make fire, mate. Simple as. Even a bit of tin foil can do this, although it is much trickier. But yeah, but that's my hot wire lighter. Camper Kosh signing out.